To replace lenses in 2x4 drop-in fluorescent fixtures, several options are available. Online retailers offer a convenient way to browse and purchase these items. Consider these online retailers. 1000 Bulbs. Com offers a range of fluorescent replacement parts and accessories. Lamps Plus provides fluorescent replacement parts. Lighting Supply also stocks lenses. Amazon features a selection of fluorescent light lenses. Another avenue is to check directly with manufacturers' websites. GE Lighting offers lighting parts and lenses. Philips Lighting provides lighting parts. Osram Sylvania carries lenses and prismatic covers. When choosing the right lenses, firstly, measure the length and width of the existing lenses to ensure a proper fit. Secondly, determine the type of lens needed, such as prismatic, frosted, or clear, based on the desired light diffusion and aesthetic. Thirdly, check for compatibility with the existing fixture to avoid installation issues. Fourthly, consider purchasing a slightly oversized lens and trimming it to fit, which can provide a more precise fit in some cases. For a wide selection and competitive prices, consider online retailers like 1000 Bulbs, Com or Lamps Plus. If needing to purchase lenses directly from the original manufacturer, visit their respective websites such as GE Lighting, Philips Lighting, or Osram Sylvania. If unsure about the compatibility of a lens, contact the manufacturer or a qualified lighting professional for assistance. This ensures the correct lens is selected, maintaining the fixture's performance and safety. When measuring the length and width of the existing lenses, use a tape measure to obtain accurate dimensions. Record these measurements carefully, noting them in both inches and millimeters if necessary to ensure compatibility with available replacement lenses. The type of lens chosen affects the light distribution and overall appearance of the fixture. Prismatic lenses feature a pattern of ridges that help to diffuse light evenly, reducing glare and creating a more comfortable environment. Frosted lenses provide a softer, more diffused light, which can be ideal for areas where a gentler illumination is desired. Clear lenses offer the highest light transmission but may produce more glare, making them suitable for tasks requiring bright, direct light. Checking for compatibility with the existing fixture involves verifying that the replacement lens is designed to fit the specific type of fixture being used. Some fixtures may have unique mounting mechanisms or dimensions that require a specific type of lens. Consult the fixture's documentation or contact the manufacturer to confirm compatibility. Purchasing a slightly oversized lens and trimming it to fit can be a useful strategy when an exact match is difficult to find. Use a sharp utility knife or plastic cutting tool to carefully trim the lens to the desired size, ensuring a clean and accurate cut. Take care to avoid cracking or damaging the lens during the trimming process. When contacting the manufacturer or a lighting professional, provide as much information as possible about the existing fixture and lens. This may include the manufacturer, model number, dimensions, and any other relevant details. A clear description of the issue or need can help the manufacturer or professional provide accurate and helpful guidance. In addition to the factors mentioned above, consider the material of the lens when making a selection. Acrylic lenses are a common choice due to their durability and resistance to yellowing. Polycarbonate lenses are even more impact resistant, making them suitable for high traffic areas or environments where breakage is a concern. Glass lenses offer excellent clarity and resistance to scratches but are more susceptible to breakage. The choice of lens material should be based on the specific needs and requirements of the application. When replacing lenses in fluorescent fixtures, it is essential to disconnect the power supply before beginning any work. This will help to prevent electrical shock and ensure safety. Follow proper safety procedures when handling electrical components and equipment. Before installing the new lens, clean the inside of the fixture to remove any dust, dirt, or debris. This will help to maximize the light output and improve the overall appearance of the fixture. Use a soft cloth or vacuum cleaner to gently clean the interior surfaces. After installing the new lens, test the fixture to ensure that it is working properly. Check the light output and distribution to verify that the lens is providing the desired illumination. If any issues are observed, double-check the installation and consult the manufacturer or a lighting professional for assistance. Regular maintenance of fluorescent fixtures, including periodic lens replacement, can help to prolong their lifespan and maintain optimal performance. Inspect the lenses regularly for any signs of damage, such as cracks, scratches, or discoloration. Replace damaged lenses promptly to prevent further deterioration and maintain the fixture's efficiency. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient LED lenses when replacing fluorescent lenses. LED lenses offer several advantages over traditional fluorescent lenses, including lower energy consumption, longer lifespan, and improved light quality. While the initial cost of LED lenses may be higher, the long-term savings in energy and maintenance can make them a worthwhile investment. When selecting LED lenses, pay attention to the color temperature and light output. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin and indicates the warmth or coolness of the light. Lower Kelvin values e.g. 2700, 3000 Kelvin produce a warm yellowish light, while higher Kelvin values e.g. 5000, 6500 Kelvin produce a cool bluish light. Choose a color temperature that is appropriate for the intended application. Light output is measured in lumens and indicates the brightness of the light. Select a lumen output that provides adequate illumination for the space. In addition to replacing the lenses, consider replacing the fluorescent lamps or tubes at the same time. This can help to ensure that the fixture is operating at its optimal efficiency and light output. When replacing fluorescent lamps, choose energy-efficient models that are compatible with the existing ballast. Ballasts are electrical components that regulate the voltage and current to the lamps. Using incompatible lamps and ballasts can lead to reduced performance, increased energy consumption, and even damage to the fixture. Consult the manufacturer's documentation or a lighting professional to determine the appropriate lamps and ballast for the fixture. When disposing of old fluorescent lamps and lenses, follow proper recycling procedures. Fluorescent lamps contain mercury, which is a hazardous material that can harm the environment if not disposed of properly. Contact a local recycling center or hazardous waste disposal facility to find out how to properly dispose of fluorescent lamps and lenses in the area. By following these tips and recommendations, the correct replacement lenses for 2x4 fluorescent drop-in fixtures can be identified, ensuring optimal lighting performance and safety. Proper selection and installation of replacement lenses can improve the aesthetics of the space, reduce glare, and create a more comfortable environment. Regular maintenance and upgrades can also help to prolong the lifespan of the fixtures and save energy. Remember to always disconnect the power supply before working on electrical fixtures and to follow proper safety procedures. If unsure about any aspect of the lens replacement process, consult a qualified lighting professional for assistance. They can provide expert guidance and ensure that the work is done safely and correctly. Considering different types of lenses is important. Firstly, prismatic lenses are designed with a series of ridges or prisms on their surface. These prisms help to refract and diffuse light, resulting in a more even distribution and reduced glare. Prismatic lenses are commonly used in office buildings, schools, and other commercial settings where a comfortable and well-lit environment is desired. Secondly, frosted lenses are made with a translucent material that scatters light in all directions. This creates a soft, diffused light that is less harsh and more pleasing to the eye. Frosted lenses are often used in residential applications such as kitchens and bathrooms, where a warm and inviting atmosphere is desired. Thirdly, clear lenses are transparent and allow light to pass through with minimal diffusion. This results in a brighter and more focused light output. Clear lenses are typically used in task lighting applications such as workshops and garages, where high levels of illumination are required. In addition to these common types of lenses, there are also specialty lenses available for specific applications. For example, polarized lenses can reduce glare and improve visibility in outdoor settings, while color-corrected lenses can enhance the appearance of colors and improve visual accuracy. The choice of lens type will depend on the specific needs and requirements of the application. When selecting a replacement lens, it is also important to consider the material of the lens. Firstly, acrylic lenses are a popular choice due to their durability, lightweight, and resistance to yellowing. Acrylic lenses are also relatively inexpensive, making them a cost-effective option for many applications. Secondly, polycarbonate lenses are even more durable than acrylic lenses and are highly resistant to impact. Polycarbonate lenses are often used in high-traffic areas or environments where breakage is a concern. Thirdly, glass lenses offer excellent clarity and resistance to scratches but are more susceptible to breakage. Glass lenses are typically used in high-end lighting fixtures where aesthetics are a primary consideration. The choice of lens material will depend on the specific requirements of the application and the desired balance between durability, aesthetics, and cost. When installing a replacement lens, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Firstly, disconnect the power supply to the fixture before beginning any work. Secondly, remove the old lens and clean the inside of the fixture to remove any dust, dirt, or debris. Thirdly, insert the new lens into the fixture, making sure that it is properly aligned and securely fastened. Fourthly, reconnect the power supply and test the fixture to ensure that it is working properly. If having any difficulties with the installation process, consult a qualified electrician for assistance. They can ensure that the lens is installed correctly and safely and that the fixture is functioning properly. In addition to replacing the lenses, it may also be necessary to replace the ballast in the fluorescent fixture. The ballast is an electrical component that regulates the voltage and current to the lamps. If the ballast is failing, it may cause the lamps to flicker, dim, or not light at all. Replacing the ballast can improve the performance of the fixture and extend the lifespan of the lamps. When selecting a replacement ballast, it is important to choose one that is compatible with the existing lamps and fixture. The ballast should also be energy efficient to minimize energy consumption and reduce operating costs. Consult a qualified electrician for assistance in selecting and installing a replacement ballast. They can ensure that the ballast is properly installed and that the fixture is functioning safely and efficiently. Regular maintenance of fluorescent fixtures, including lens replacement and ballast replacement, can help to prolong their lifespan and maintain optimal performance. Inspect the fixtures regularly for any signs of damage, such as cracks, scratches, or discoloration. Replace damaged lenses or ballast promptly to prevent further deterioration and maintain the fixture's efficiency. By following these tips and recommendations, it is possible to keep fluorescent fixtures in good working condition and ensure that they provide adequate and efficient lighting for the intended application.